We are matching each quadratic function with its corresponding graph. Let's start off with question number A, or letter. Okay, so write it down. Y equals 2, x minus 1, x minus 4. So we have a list of different graphs at the bottom. We can see that there's x-intercepts and you can see the y-intercepts. In order to find the x-intercepts, we can look at here and do the inverse of these two. So for this one, it would be x equals 1 and x equals 4. And we can look at the graph to see which ones have the x-intercepts at 1 and 4. And we can see that most of them do have that, so we're going to keep continuing. In order to find the y-intercept, you turn x into 0 for this one, so y equals 2, negative 1, because if you turn that into 0, yeah. And then 0 minus 4 turns into negative 4. Negative 1 multiplied by negative 4 equals 4. 2 multiplied by 4 equals 8. Y equals 8. So we have a y-intercept of 8, and we can look at the graph and see that it matches with the graph C.